In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT's study mode. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're trying to study smarter, you can actually use ChatGPT's new study mode. To access this, go to chatgpt.com on your laptop, PC, phone, whatever. You can even use the app if you like and start a new chat to get on a screen that looks something like this. From here, click this little plus icon down at the very bottom, and then if you go ahead and select this More tab right here, you're going to see a Study and Learn option within here. Select that, and it's going to say Study right here, and you'll be good to go. You can even use these free prompts right here to begin setting up your chat to make sure it is perfect, but keep in mind this is going to work on both free and paid plans. The only thing that's different is in normal mode, ChatGPT is going to give you a direct answer. In study mode, it's going to teach you step by step, almost like a tutor. For example, you could ask something like, and I know this is a really basic question, but why does 0.999 equal 1? Normal mode will give you an explanation, but study mode is going to ask you guiding questions. It's going to show you a bunch of different patterns, and it's going to help you figure out for yourself. It's actually pretty interesting. That is the power of study mode. If you do have any questions throughout this guide, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.